And number 10 is sold out. Custom 10. If you want some, let me get the other box up here. Box 3 and box 22. All right, guys, hockey memorabilia box. One box break number 10. 10 filled before 9. This is number 10. We have box 22 and box 3 on the table. We're going to go box top 1, 2, 3, bottom 4, 5, 6. Top box, which is 22. Three for the next one. All right, good luck, guys. All right, what do we got? For the New York Rangers, Jaromir Jagr. For the Range, sick hit. That's right, peanut butter. Next up, we got a puck. The Leafs. Patrick Marleau, Toronto. And we got Matt Douche Ain. That was an authentic pro Duchesne-ski. PSA certified. He says, I'll take it. When did Marleau play for the Leafs? That's all right. He's solid, but I was like, wait a minute, man, it's supposed to say Sharks or what? let's see. Leafs is Tarzan. Marlowe going to the Tarzan. Or is that Rogie? Tarzan. With the Marlowe. And we got the Ranges. Number 10, is that Gregor? That is Gregor, number 10. Wow, what a sick hit, dude. That is a beauty, bro. Yogs, man. And we got Douche, Ain, Nashville 10. Is that Marky P? It is. We got Marky P with the Duchesne. He's going to like that one. Mark's going to love that.